tell us what you're finding.
Well, with the anthropology, what we're looking for is to establish whether any bones that are found on the surface are human or not human. So that's one of my primary roles in general. If anything is found in any other crime scenes, what I would do is obviously help to recover those remains, see how the remains are lying on the ground. As an archaeologist, what I'm trying to look at is to, just in general crime scene work, is to look at any graves that are buried. So for example, what I'm doing here is to establish what the natural layer is of soil. So we know from maps and databases that we're looking for a certain particular layer of a certain colour, and that's our limit, basically our boundary. Anything that's loose and with rubble, it means that something's been turned, soil's been turned over. And even when you get to the natural level, we're actually looking for features. So changes in colour, that might be square, rectangular, that might indicate a grave.
Can you tell whether an item has fallen or been buried?
Well, we can tell whether something's been on the surface or buried. Yes, certainly we should be able to say that. If you've got a deposition which has been, it's mixed with rubble, then that's a little bit more difficult. But what we're trying to do, if we find rubble and plastic and wrappings, looking at dates also, so we can see, what's lying under the body in terms of dates and what's lying what's on top of the body.
What kind of things have you been finding?
Basically, the main question, found hundreds of animal bones, and that's obviously my responsibility, is to ensure that 100% that these are animal and not human.
And can you tell that sort of pretty much instantly?
We can, yes. As anthropologists with experience, we should be able to look at differences in the shape of the bones. So the ends of the bones are different in humans to other animals. We're looking at the size also, we're looking at the texture, but certainly it's fairly straightforward examination.
And have you come across anything that could possibly be human bones?
Not at all, no.
And will you continue to excavate along the whole of the mound?
That's
sorry. Okay.
All right. Okay.
I won't.
Thanks very much.
Okay.
No worries. Sorry, I didn't realise.
Can we just have 10 more minutes?
Yeah.